Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send money or connect the desktop wallet on your Coinbase Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open your wallet. Then inside your wallet you will see this starting page, and at the starting page you will have to tap on the settings menu. And in the settings menu, at the connections section, you will see the wallet link, which I have 0 right now, 0 connections, but I can tap on it. It will open up the camera and scan QR code, send money or connect to a desktop website. Where when you scan something with this QR scanner, it will connect it to your, if it is your wallet, or you can send money if you scan another person's QR code. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.